NCERT exercise 12.2 9th question. A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So here this ABCD is a trapezium. See, this trapezium have one triangle and one parallelogram. We want to find the area of the trapezium. So if you find the area of a triangle and the area of a parallelogram, finally if you add both areas, you can get the total area of a trapezium. So for finding area of this triangle, we can use Heron's formula, and then finding area of a parallelogram ABDE, we have the formula base into height. Using that we can find area of the parallelogram. Finally we can add those two areas. So here let ABCD be the trapezium. So here we can draw the perpendicular line BM perpendicular to EC. So draw BE, this is parallel to AD and this BM perpendicular to DC. Okay, see here this BM is height of the parallelogram and height of the triangle. So here AB and DE both are equal to 10 meter. They have given in the question itself, because parallel sides 25 meter and 10 meter they have given. So here AB and DE equal to 10 meter, and opposite sides, as here opposite sides are equal, therefore this is 10, and ADBE, that is equal to 14 meter. Here 14 and then here 13, here 14, here 10 meter, here 10 meter, and then totally 25 meter they have given. This total is 25 meter, then this is 15 meter, because 25 minus 10 is 15. So area of trapezium equal to area of the triangle BEC plus area of the parallelogram ABDE. So area of triangle BEC equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So for finding semi-perimeter we have the formula. So here A is 15 meter, B is 14 meter, C is 13 meter. So 15 plus 14 plus 13 divided by 2, that is 21 meter. Now area of triangle BEC equal to root of 21 into 21 minus 15, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 13. ABC values we can substitute. So 21 into 6 into 7 into 21 minus 13 is 8. So you can write this as 3 sevens or 21, 2 3s are 6, 7 is a prime number, and then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So for this 2 2 you can take 1 2 outside, for this 2 3 1 3, for this 2 7 1 7, for this 2 2 you can take 1 2. So 84 centimeter square. So this is area of a triangle BEC. Now using this we have to find the height of the triangle BM, that means height of the parallelogram. If we know the height only, we can find the area of a parallelogram. So we want to find BM. So area of triangle BEC is 1 by 2 base into height. Already we know that this is 84, 1 by 2. Base is 15, height we don't know, that height only bm. 1 by 2 into 15 into bm. So bm equal to 84 into 2 divided by 15 is 11.2 centimeter. So this is height of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram equal to base into height. So here base is, height is 11.2, so 112 centimeter. So finally area of trapezium equal to area of a triangle plus area of parallelogram. Triangle is, see here, this is 112, area of 84, so 196 centimeter square is the answer for this question.